I'm hoping that we've convinced you that you need a budget. And not just any budget, but one that comes from these 4 rules. They give you a unique and powerful method for taking control of your money. But maybe not. Maybe you're not convinced. Maybe you're thinking, nah, I don't need a method. I hate to break it to you. You have a method now. It's just not working. Whatever way you think about, spend, and manage your money is your method. But I think you know your method isn't working for you. Isn't that why you're here? No one goes looking for money management solutions when things are going great financially. No one says, hey honey, our finances are in awesome shape. We should do something about that. Other methods don't work. They're reactive. They're not intentional, and they don't offer you clarity or control. If you use these 4 rules, you will gain total control over your money. You will reach your goals and reduce your stress about money. It's worked for hundreds of thousands of people. It worked for me, and it'll work for you. Give it a shot. Let it change your life. What have you got to lose? Well, besides all that debt and stress.